Every machine that comes through our floor is a machine that we engineered. We did the mechanical engineering on it, we did the controls work on it, we also did the assembly on it. So really we own every design that comes through here, which means one, we'll be able to support it better in the long run, but then two, when it comes to integration, if the customer ever wants to tie that machine into a bigger line, it's something that we can easily accommodate. As you grow, our machine will never be the bottleneck for the growth of your organization.
It has always been C3's model to focus on the end user, the end customer, to know what they are consuming, how are they opening it, what types of products that they have. And for us to stay relevant to that, we have to always be investing into new technologies, because just like our technology changes, the manufacturer's technology changes for that customer. So if their customer demand is driving something different and new into the market, we have to be able to respond with a new piece of machinery or a new way to package or a new way to glue to meet those demands. Everything from making sure covers don't shift and the way that the mattress recovers and being able to understand how much force they're putting on the product has really evolved. It took a ton of testing and R&D, and to know all those machines and all those different customers in different countries has just been an incredible experience. Our engineers are very, very different. They look at engineering as a creative process. How can we do it differently? How can we make it better? And we have solutions from pour to package.
Every machine that we have is able to function as a standalone machine, but bigger picture, we want that machine to also be able to be integrated into a bigger line. So as your organization expands and your needs grow and you like to become or want to become more efficient with your workforce, our machines are able to be tied into a much bigger line.
Automation and system design really benefits the end user a lot. They start getting a more consistent product, consistent package. So what that does for the company that is using automation and system design is giving a consistent message to those customers.
We're problem solving and helping with production and helping with the package. And then also we have a fully staffed service department, which ensures that we keep that machine running perfectly for the long term.